Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video today. Happy Christmas and all of that shebang. Now this is gonna be a short video technical analysis on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is at some kind of resistance and is looking to get out to the top. So let's get into the chart, man, and let's talk about Bitcoin. Just woke up. I think it's a nice day to do Bitcoin technical analysis. So like 2 days ago we drew these two lines. These two lines come from the last resistance up here. You can see here the closes were closed below it, and the support is all the way down here at 22,719, but the resistance is at 23,821. So basically we are looking for the break and close of the 23,821 to be actually really bullish. It's still haven't broken it, but it's looking really bullish. So let's get back to the 1 hour and see what's actually happened. So around 2 days ago we were somewhere around here, and we were talking that this is the lower support, and you can see here it did hit support. It bounced back and it has been just rising since then, and now this is first hit on the resistance. This is the second hit and tried to break it. Still haven't broken the resistance, but it is hitting the resistance, and we are actually I think we can actually be able to break this. There's also a triangle here. And we're gonna draw a triangle pattern. I think it's something like this, top, and you can see here try to break the triangle now, but it has to break both the triangle and the top resistance over here for us to actually be really bullish. And the bottom support is, I think it's something like this. So we got this triangle over here and this channel, and now it's breaking out of the triangle and the channel at the same time. So if it managed to do that and managed to close above 23,821 or 23,820, we're gonna be really bullish. And we can also get confirmation on that from the moving averages. This is a 1 hour. You can see it's above all the 20, 50, 100 and 200 moving average, and is being pushed by the 20 on the upside. 4 hourly still keeping above the 20 moving average. Here when it was going down, it went below the 20 moving average, but you can see it all the time it was keeping the support on the 50 moving average. This was some kind of support on 20 on the 50. Try it again. This, see, 1 2 3 hits, 4 5, almost 5 hits on the 50 moving average, and now it's keeping the 50 moving average. And these two lines will continue going up, and the price will get above the resistance, and then it's gonna break on the upside. So we're gonna look at what is the price target or price prediction, where this is gonna go on the next run. Now before we do that, I just want to say something about the RSI. If you noticed, both in my last video and in a lot of other videos on Bitcoin, I've been talking that RSI right now is at 88, and it's really overbought. This is the RSI. This is 88.53. Let me put like this, 88. The RSI is overbought, and if we look at the historical price on Bitcoin, you can see here that this is as top as you get. You know, you see here this is top of 2017. This is some kind of a local top. These tops here went a lot higher, but they could do that because the market was a lot more volatile. But now there are a lot more players in, and the volatility is actually going down, either you like it or not. So I don't think we're gonna see these kind of tops here at 90, what's that, 96 and over that, but we are at 88. So one way or other we gotta get a correction down on the downside. How that's gonna play out, I'm not quite sure, but it will come. Okay, but until the technicals are telling us we are going down, the correction is coming, we are bullish. So we are really bullish on Bitcoin still, and we think this is gonna break on the upside. The triangle is gonna break on the upside. It's gonna break the resistance up here at 23,800. Where was it? 23,820. Let me move it a bit. Yeah, okay. 23,825, right? It's gonna break it on the upside, and we are gonna get new all-time high. So how far are we going? Well, if you look at the daily, let me do like this. The first target is we got two of these. The first target is, of course, 23,820. It's getting the close above the 23,825. So this can actually take a whole day. It can just like go in this range up and down until we actually break it. But once it's broken and we close above it, I think the next day it's gonna be gonna go really high. Let's look at the 4 hourly. We can see here that we got some kind of tops over here as well on the closes. Around here, that's almost 24,000. Yeah, 23,990, 24,000. But for Bitcoin to really pump hard up, it has to go above 24,300, and that's all the way up here, 24,300. So once the Bitcoin price is above 24,300, you got all-time high. And once that's achieved, so if it breaks the 23,820, first of all, you are getting the break up on the resistance, and then it has to break 24,000 and 24,300. But once these are broken, it will go up. So how high will it go up? So let's clean a bit these lines that we don't need for this. So we're gonna use triangle. We're gonna use this triangle to tell us where the price is gonna go. So we are not measuring this distance over here. We are measuring the distance over here, where the triangle is hitting the top and the bottom. So we are being more conservative about our price target. So it's around 25,790. So that's our next price target for how far the price will go up. 25,777, almost 26,000. If you are to measure it from this point over here, it will be even higher. That will be 26,700. But I think the decent target is around 25,777. That's the decent target for where the price is gonna go on the next breakout out of this triangle. But as I said, it has to break the 23,820 and close above 820. That's the big line. That's the line I'm looking at. I mean, a lot can happen. It can go up and down, but as long as it hasn't closed above this line over here by tomorrow, we are not breaking all-time high. But once it breaks and holds the 23,810, that means you got the close above the you got new all-time high close, and that's really gonna be really bullish. I know a lot of altcoins have been lately been in the red. You've seen what's been happening to the entire market cap, right? And Bitcoin dominance. Now, I hope you bought some dips, even the XRP dip, because people get always really scared when something drops 20-30%. People think it's gonna go to zero. It's not actually gonna to zero. Maybe the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins on the dominance chart is expanding, but things will not go to zero. You have to take these drops as a good buy opportunity, especially in the bull market. If 2 years ago, you know, in the bear market, when something like this happened, you are a little more wary. But in this kind of market, when everybody is FOMOing into crypto right now, 20 drops on altcoins, that's a buy opportunity. Just look at, for example, I haven't done yet video on EOS, but just look at EOS, man. Just look at EOS. Let's remove the lines so you can see this. Look how far it went down to 1.9. I don't know when will you ever get this kind of chance to buy in. You had it here at 1.9 around there. Let me put the line here. Here, that was 7 December. That was 1 year after the bull market, right? Then you had here in Corona, and now for the third time you get the same chance to buy at below EOS below 2, EOS below 2. And it's easy to think, oh my god, it broke this support over here, like it's gonna go down to 0 and whatever not, but you have to know, like, we are in the bull market, everything is going up. You have to use these chance when weekends are selling to buy lower. Anyways, Bitcoin is actually gonna go up. I'm predicting is, I don't know if it's gonna go up today or tomorrow, but you can see here it now dropped a little bit. Yeah, it pulled back a little bit from the line. So this can take a little more while, maybe it even up until tomorrow or something like that. But you want to watch the close. You want to watch the close above the 23,810. If it closes above that target, we are gonna be really bullish. I mean, you can still also get this big candle, like it can go all the way to 25, 26 after a breakout above the 23,800, right? And it can happen without the close, but then it will close all the way up here the next day. So anyways, watch the lines, watch where the breakout is, and we are going up from this. So even though the RSI on the weekly is 88, I think we can still push this higher up. We can still push this higher up. And right now the technicals are saying we are going to push this higher up until the technicals change. Now the technicals can start changing on a 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly. But right now, 1 hourly, the technicals are actually really good because we are getting support at 200 moving average and 200 moving average. So if you want to know when we're going to become bearish, is if the price drops below the 200 moving average and drops on the bottom side of the triangle over here. And right now the 200 moving average on 1 hourly is 23,175, but that's short term. It doesn't have to mean anything on the daily. Like you can drop all the way down here and get back above it on daily, but watching the short term is really good to know that something is changing. So 1 hourly, 4 hourly, looking for the change. On 4 hourly, you don't want to get below the 50 moving average, and the 1 hourly, you don't want to get below the 200 moving average on the daily. Well, on the daily, you don't want to get below 20 moving average. Where's the 10 moving average on the daily? Where's the? It's all over here, up at 23,186. So maybe you don't want to get below that. So there are some moving averages on different timelines you want to watch and see if the technicals do change. But right now techs are saying we're bullish, so we're bullish, we're going up. Next target, the moon. Have fun, don't lose money. Happy holidays, happy Christmas, and almost happy new year. So take fun, have fun, and don't lose your money. Also, I forgot to say, like the video if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. I want to be the next PewDiePie. Also, we got a Patreon if you want to have exclusive content. I only uploaded one video there, but I'm gonna be more consistent about uploading videos, so you want to get into that. $1 a month, $1 a month. Thanks, bye bye.